Okay, I've reached my destination here at Notre Dame Cemetery. I'm just waiting for some traffic to come by so I can make my turn. And that's it. Now, one of the graves I like to check up on. I'm just going to check on it real quick as we drive by. There's the angel right here. I've cleaned that now for the past year, and we will get a closer look at that in a little bit. Okay, but for right now, I'm looking for a specific grave down in the back of the cemetery, and I'll be back with you in a minute as soon as I find it.